Unit 6, Learning Target number 4. Calculate measures of center, the median. Now let's look at what a median is. We're going to find the median. The median is also a measure of center, so it's telling us where the center of the data is. The median simply means the middle of the data. This is the median on a road there. Since I teach driver's ed, I know that. This is the median, and so it's the middle of the road. Now for us, we're looking for the middle of a set of data. So here's our data set, and we want to find the middle number. Now quickly looking at it, which one of these numbers is in the middle? Which one do you think it is? Is it It is 5. 5 is in the middle, right? It's just the middle number. We've got them in order here, 1, 3, 5, 7, and 8, and that's the middle. The catch to the median is that you have to put them in order. Calculating the median is one of the simplest things you'll do as long as you follow the steps and put them in order. So we're going to calculate the median for the data set below. The Fillmore Library overdue books per day, so the number of books that were overdue each day. And here you have the very angry cat with a mustache. You have some overdue library books. We're going to need those back now. All right, so the first thing it tells us to do, we have to put these data items in order. If you notice, they're not in order. Here's the number 2, and here's the number 8, and 9, and 7. We've got to put them in order first, so let's do that. Here's the smallest one. That's the number 2, so we'll scratch through that. The next biggest number we have is 4. We'll scratch through one of those, and there's another number 4. We can scratch through that. Don't see any 5s or 6. Then we have 7. We'll scratch through that. Then another 8. Scratch through that, a 9, scratch through that, and then finally a 12. Here are our numbers. Then we have to find the middle. Now it tells us we have two rules. If it's odd, if the number of data items is odd, we have one rule. And if it's even, if the number of data items is even, then we have another rule. Well, let's count the number of items. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now 7 and even are an odd number. It's odd, so we'll follow this rule. The middle number is the median. We find the middle, so we'll count 1, 2, 3. We can even, some people like to do it like this. They like to tick them off. This one matches, this one matches, this one matches, and whoa, there it is, right there in the middle. There's the number 7. I like to just count them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and count up to the middle number, 1, 2, 3, 4. Whichever one works for you, you can do it. The median in this case is the number 7. All right, one more problem before we finish. Jack went on a fishing trip for 10 days. How cool is that? He went on a fishing trip like a boss. He caught the following numbers of fish each day. That is a lot of numbers of fish. We need to find the median. So the first thing we have to do is put these guys in order. The first one we come to is 1. So we've got 1 here. Do we have any more 2s? Nope, but we have a 3. So we'll put a 3 there. Do we have any more 3s? Nope. And then we have a 4. So there's a 4. Any more 4s? Nope. But we have a 5. So let's put a 5 right here. Any more 5s? Nope. Do we have a 6? Nope. Do we have a 7? Oh, there it is. There's a 7. Any more 7s? Nope. Do we have an 8? Hey, there's one. There's an 8. Any more? Whoa, there's another one. 8. How about 9s? Well, there's one. And any more? Hey, there's one. 9. And no 10s, no 11s. The last one we have here is a 13, so we can just put him right there. We've got them in order. That's the first step. In order is number 1. We put them in there in order, and then we find the middle. And if you'll remember, our rule was if it's even, you take the average of the two middle numbers. Well, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, wow. So we have to take the average of the two middle numbers. Let's find the middle numbers here. There's one pair, there's another pair on the outside, and another pair on the outside, and another pair on the outside, and another one. So we've got the 2 right here in the middle, 7 and 8. So we find the average of those two middle numbers. You remember how to do that. We add them together. We get 15, and we divide that by 2. 15 divided by 2, and that's going to give us 7.5. Spoiler alert. You can punch that into your calculator. It's going to be 7.5, and that is the median of these numbers.